Meaning of behind. Behind is a preposition, adverb, or noun used to show that something is at the back of, later than, or not keeping up with something else. 10 daily use example sentences. 1. The cat is hiding behind the curtain. Preposition. 2. He stood behind me in the line. 3. We are running behind schedule. Adverb, late. 4. She left her bag behind in the car. 5. The truth is hidden behind his smile. 6. Don't look back, just leave the past behind. 7. I stayed behind to help clean up. Adverb, remained. 8. He walked slowly, far behind the group. 9. There's a garden behind the house. 10. The story behind this painting is interesting. Noun, background.